Professional programmers often discuss a concept known as separation of concerns.
This video is brought to you by ObbyPie's Academy.
What this means is that within an application, design, also known as view, is separate from business logic or data layers. The idea is that we can use the same business logic for different incarnations of an application. The same business logic and data can be used to deliver the app on the web, or an iPhone, or even Android devices. In delivering HTML5 content to the web or mobile devices, we keep the design layers separate by using CSS, which is an abbreviation for Cascading Style Sheet Language. In this section of the course, we're going to apply CSS styles to HTML documents. We're going to learn how to use basic selectors to determine which HTML elements are being styled. We'll learn how to make basic typographical adjustments, including font, font size, and color. We'll also learn how to use classes and IDs to select multiple HTML elements for styling. Once we've gone through all that, we're going to revisit your restaurant review and add some styling to make it look more attractive and usable. That's a lot of important material for one chapter. I hope you'll code along with me as we learn the basics of styling with CSS.